Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. You're looking for all of your household chores to be a lot easier? You need a duster like this one from MECO. This duster is heavy duty and has so many different functions. I don't know really what I would do without it at this point. So the duster comes fully charged, so you can try it as soon as you receive it. It's chargeable by the included cord, so you never have to worry about batteries or your cord getting in the way. It has different attachments that you can easily put on or put off depending on what you need it for. I look at my blinds all the time and cringe because I can see the dust on them. Well, this duster will take care of that dust. You can use this duster even to blow up your pool toys and an air mattress. I love that it has a light, so if I'm working around the house at different times of the day, I can see that dust and attack it right away with this duster. It feels very heavy and sturdy, so you know that it is a nice quality item. All of the attachments are also made of a hard, durable plastic. The duster fits nicely into the included bag with all of the attachments and even the booklet, so I don't have to worry about losing any of it. I can just put it on a hook in the closet until it's the next time for me to do my chores. If you're looking for a great multifunctional tool, this is something that once you have it, you really don't know what you would do without it. That's how I feel about this air duster from MECO, and that's my point of view.